Welcome back to the channel. Got this machine tool vise from Air Vise and Workholding. It's a model AV-T4. We'll just take a look at it. I don't suspect there's going to be anything complex in this box, but we'll pop it open, take a look, and maybe even take it out to the garage and operate it. Well, as suspected, it didn't come with a lot, but they were at least nice enough to give us hold downs, and it looks like air fittings. And then the vise. And yeah, it's heavy. And a sticker. Let's see how heavy this guy is. Looks like 13 pounds. Looks like you can clamp it with some sort of surface clamps if you wish here. It's got through holes. Pretty nice. Then our air fittings here. T-nuts and bolts for that. Came with a couple of these machine blocks and some bolts so that you can drop them down in here and bolt it down and keep it angled properly. Helps align it when you mount it to your table. Let's put the air fittings in and go give it a try in the garage. We'll just test it manually with this nitro valve. You can just push on this button to actuate it. So we'll hook them up, test it out. I've got this little adapter that I use. We'll just hook it right in here. And add air. Compressor's at about 100 psi right now. And I believe that must be closed. And we'll go to open. It came with this little piece of shim in there to protect the jaws. Definitely holds it tight. You wouldn't want to get your fingers in there. Use these calipers and just estimate about how far it's opening up. Looks like about 135 thousandths. If you're unaware, the way these work is it comes with these aluminum soft jaws. You can see how thick they are. You take these and you machine these jaws to the size of whatever your workpiece is, so that 135 thousandths, it'll open up enough to release your part and then close. So you machine these jaws to either your workpiece, or you can thread some holes into these jaws and make an additional type of jaw that sits up on top of it or off the side, whatever your choice is. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.